globally when it comes to media and entertainment. She stands as a global powerhouse of creating stories.
I think this moment is thrilling, where we are right now, in the journey of storytelling across the world. We have never experienced a time when a story coming from any part of the world actually has a global audience, and that audience is just waiting for something to completely blow their mind. And here is a wonderful confluence of creativity and technology that has really given the opportunity to creators to not be limited to where they are. And the biggest creative leap in this has actually been, the resurgence of hyperlocal. What we used to say, our stories are meant for a country, our audience, and yes, they are. For us at Netflix, it's so important to make stories for our audiences in India. But nothing stops those amazing, beautiful stories, where someone like a creator like Imtiaz, with his powerful voice, can actually explore language, culture, music, identity, an artist's journey, and can make it in the way that he had imagined it till the last minute of that film and bring it, and then it is in the hands of an audience that is not just limited to valuing it one way or another. Can I reach that story? The story is reaching them, and I think that is the most beautiful thing. And I feel that for us at Netflix, just being in this moment and being able to enable such culture defining storytelling from India to India and the world is, I think, the best thing that's happened.
It's an excellent session there. Thank you so much to the anchor panel. That brilliant update, exploring the depths, as I mentioned, of art, culture, experience, and yes.